Hey Marissa, it's Brittany. I wanted to just say thank you for letting me make this video for you today. Um, I don't want to take up too much of your time here, and I just wanted to go ahead and get into this. So, there are a few things I want to go over with you today, and after this video, all I ask is if you could possibly give me a little bit of feedback, that would be wonderful. So, the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. And what content is going to be is anything that you find on your front page. Any wording that's there, any photos that are there, how those photos are saved, and what's behind them is all a part of your content. And you definitely got quite a bit of content here, which is good. But I will say that Google does recommend anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Now, in your content, you can place these specific keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So, with you, I would definitely recommend um, putting those extra keywords in there because when I looked up one of your tools here, you don't have any organic keywords that are linking back to your website. Now, with you, I would definitely recommend being able to place like spiritual healing. And since you're trying to focus on Santa Cruz more, I would say spiritual healing, Santa Cruz, anything that you offer, tie it back into Santa Cruz, California. And I know we're trying to build up internationally and online as well, but that'll at least give you that service to get your business started in the Santa Cruz area so we can definitely build out from there. And I was looking at one of the competitors in the area. He's got some content on there. Um, and he had a few keywords. So I would definitely recommend building up on those keywords to be able to get your website found easier in the Santa Cruz area. Now, the next thing I want to go over is what we call backlinks. And backlink is anywhere you find a website linking to another website. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build that trust in your business by seeing that others are vouching for you. And it's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins or people's websites pointing back at them. Now, however, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that you want something that's relevant to your industry and local websites that's what's going to be that like works best. Now, you do have a few backlinks here, so I definitely recommend us trying to find more relevant backlinks, and the best ones are usually blog posts and things like that. Now, your competitor here, he's got 202 backlinks. Now, the idea is to be able to look and see what backlinks he has for you to build up on those backlinks and then also be able to try to add more backlinks than what he already has. Now, the next thing I want to go over is what we call citations. Now, citations are going to be anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as your Google business profile shows it. And that's what gets you on the board here. So this is what we call the Google Map Pack. And these are competitors doing the like same stuff in the area that you are. And basically, citations help you rank in this map pack, which is extremely important for local businesses since this is what can generate huge amounts of revenue. Now, where you want to get these citations, it includes directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, the Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others that you might have heard of. And then also building up on your social media accounts, those are great resources too. Now, the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google is going to trust you. And once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. Now, once your content, backlinks, and citations all start to come together, that's when you can start to outgrow your competitors. Now, I'm not sure what your margins are at the moment, but I imagine that this would be something that would help you generate some pretty decent revenue. Also, there are usually many more keywords we could work into your website to be able to utilize off of that. Now, I looked up a bigger website. I looked up Tony Robbins because he's definitely a huge life coach, and he's got some really, really great keywords here. And those are the types of things that we would want to find that would suit your business and utilize that into your web page. And then that way you're going to be easier to be found on Google, especially in the Santa Cruz area. Now, if you find yourself wanting some more info to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out to me and I can help you with some more information, and we can talk about what your goals are and how I can do the research for you to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Again, I just want to say thank you for allowing me to make this video for you today. You can text me or email me, reach out anytime. And all I ask is if you could just give me a little bit of feedback in return, and I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you again, Marissa. I'll talk to you later.